Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this video example, I'm going to show you how you can drag and drop the lavender from the LSP Lavender and Sunflower Overlay Botanical Packs into your image in Photoshop. For watching the main tutorials, you can go on the LSP Actions website under Video Tutorial Library, Overlays, Botanicals, and the Lavender and Sunflower Pack. These are beautiful foreground images that you can drop in to really frame your subjects in the scene and add that beautiful foreground interest. I'm going to use the actions to apply, but you can easily drag and drop too. So I'm going to hit Apply a Floral Framer. Make sure you locate the unzipped folder on your computer. And how about we go in with Lavender Scene 1. And you can see this has instantly added lavender in the foreground of your image with some beautiful focus in there too, like a mix of soft and sharp focus. Really, really very, very pretty. Because this image has some blue lavender in it, I'm going to hit the tone Cooler for this one, just to cool it in and merge it with our scene a little bit more. And then to finish, I'm going to play the Lavender Dreams. The gentle finishes, these should be their product in themselves on the LSP Actions website. Absolutely gorgeous finishes for your image, but I wanted to include them as a gift for you. So I'm going to hit Finisher, Lavender Dreams, comes with the actions, and you can see it's just added that beautiful finish to your image. You can turn the opacity up if you wanted to. A black brush has been selected if you wanted to just wash this a little bit off your subject's faces. See there, before and after. Let's see the whole before image and after image. Really, really pretty. If you wanted to make these change the lavender to bluer, you can do that by clicking the action, or if you wanted to do it manually, come down, select Human Saturation on your adjustments, select Magentas from your drop down, maybe widen that a little, and we're just going to move this to the left a little bit, and that's going to make your lavender a little bit bluer. Because this lavender has a mix of blue and purple, I'm going to get my black brush and just take off some of this blue toning I've added in, and that's just going to really make sure that this actually really blends with our image. I'm going to take the cool tone off using a black brush as well. This is just where you can just sit back for a second, look at your scene and figure out what you need to do. Before and after. Really, really great fun to play with. If all you need to do is just drag and drop and go, you're absolutely fine. If you want to do this extra editing, you can do that as well. So I hope you love playing with these. You can catch the other tutorials on the LSP Actions website. There's a whole plethora of tutorials there using these floral overlays. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.